Don't let your woodworking projects fail. Choosing the best router tables can make or break every cut, but most people miss this critical feature. Imagine spending hours only to ruin your wood. What if there's a secret pro tip that top woodworkers swear by? Stick around to discover the ultimate guide for precision, speed, and safety. Let's start. Number 5. Kreg PRS-2100 Benchtop Router Table is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. This full-size portable router table features a 16-inch tall surface with a standard insert plate that supports most routers, ensuring precision cuts every time. Its benchtop fence offers sliding faces, locking levers, and jointing capability, while the low-friction edge-banded MDF top reduces vibration for quiet, smooth operation. Lightweight at 12 kilograms. Easy to move and highly durable, it bridges the gap between your creative ideas and perfect outcomes. Perfect for workshops or holiday gifts. Number 4. Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table is a game changer for woodworkers seeking precision and portability. This ultra-portable design features folding legs for fast setup and easy storage, while the laminated MDF top ensures smooth, accurate cuts. The easy-click router mounting system allows quick bit changes with no leveling, and onboard storage keeps all bits and accessories handy. With a tall fence, adjustable feather boards, starter pin, guard, and bit height gauge, it offers superior control, enhanced safety, and unmatched precision, making complex routing tasks effortless and efficient. Number 3. Skill RT132301 Router Table and 10-amp fixed base router kit delivers professional-grade precision for every woodworking project. This combo includes the Skill Router Table with above-the-table adjustment, integrated bit storage, aluminum miter gauge slot, starter pin, 2 feather boards, and a 24-inch large fence with adjustable MDF faceplates. The Skill 10-amp fixed base router packs 2.0 HP soft start speed control and live tool indicator, durable die-cast housing, ergonomic handles, and quick access router clamp make it safe, smooth, and efficient. Perfect for accurate, high-performance routing every time. Number 2. Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table delivers unmatched precision and durability with its large aluminum top, perfect for extended projects. Its rigid, pre-drilled aluminum mounting plate ensures compatibility with multiple routers and adjustable heights, while the extra tall fence with feather boards maximizes accuracy. The dedicated dust collection port keeps your workspace clean, and built-in storage pockets, cord wrap, and power cord lock add convenience and safety. Whether you're a DIYer or pro woodworker, this heavy-duty table combines performance, versatility, and durability, making every cut precise and worry-free. Number 1. Kreg Precision Router Table System delivers unmatched precision and versatility for serious woodworkers. Featuring a 24-inch by 32 tabletop with a router insert plate and 3 level lock reducing rings, it ensures perfect alignment every time. The 36-inch T-square fence with micro-adjust wheel provides exact setups, while the redesigned outfeed anchor maximizes usable space. Its multi-purpose steel stand adjusts from 31-inch to 39-inch. For comfort and stability. Durable, high performance, and built to last, this system transforms routing tasks into precise, professional results, boosting efficiency and craftsmanship in any workshop.